not Dr. Seuss, but you know, I'm sweet with my words and I'm nice with my touch. I love to make you smile. It's really a beautiful picture to look at. You know, I feel like I'm in a museum, and you know, I know to respect art. You know, it's not all about touch when you're in a museum. Sometimes it's just about strolling through and admiring, you know, the past, the future, and the present.
Sketch! If you were to describe your sex life as a car, what would it be and why?
You know, I would consider mine a cop car, because it's usually only me and those who make bad decisions. Well, I'm just kidding. You know what? I would call it a Tesla, because I'm very smart and I'm calculating.
How big is your dick, Sketch?
Where's Sketch?
Do I need to say how big it is? I'm showing you.
Oh, no. Alright. Alright,
Personality streamer.
we gotta...